Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear student, today we will learn two new words, these and those. Use of those. These is used to show near objects. Peoples we want to point out, and those is used to indicate distance objects or people we want to point out are plural. So student, you can say 3 pencils near to child. So pencils more than one, it's plural and near to child. So we can say these are pencils because these used for near and plural objects. अदर साइड पे देखिए पेंसिल्स ऑन द टेबल, पेंसिल्स टेबल पर मौजूद है और बच्चे से बहुत दूर हैं. सो वी कैन से दोस आर पेंसिल्स because pencils also plural, more than one, it's 3 pencils on the table, but far from child, so we can use those. Students, let's do activity page number 25. Look at the pictures and tick the correct line using these and those. These are fruits are near to child and many fruits in the buckets. So we use these are fruits. So students, other side, balloons far from the child. आप देख रहे हैं कि बच्चे से बलून कितने दूर है और बलून एक से ज्यादा है. सो वी कैन यूज दोस और दोस आर बलून्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से हमारा दीज एंड दोस का कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर होता है और एक्टिविटी भी मुकम्मल होती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, you did all very good. Bye bye.